Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you've not met me before, my name's Jim. I'm from onedad1blog.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about stains. I'm talking stains on your carpets, your upholstery, your cars, mattresses, you name it, stains are everywhere. Pretty unavoidable. You turn your back for a second and before you know it, there's a big chunky felt tip pen on your brand new carpets. I have tried a lot of cleaning products before and some of them have been pretty unsuccessful. So today I'm going to be trying out some products from Rug Doctor. Rug Doctor are iconic with stain removal. Rug Doctor have a range of products that you can use in the house that you don't need to necessarily have a big Rug Doctor deep carpet cleaner with them. So I'm going to be taking a look at several different products of theirs today, putting them through the test. They've got a few areas where I've highlighted there's some stains I want to try and put them through, and just seeing if they do live up to the Rug Doctor brand that we're all aware of. So first up, I've got the Rug Doctor Oxy Power Stain Remover. Now this comes in a handy 500ml bottle. It's a spray bottle, as you've probably typically had before with stain removers. Now what this is made to do is this has oxygen elements within it that claim that they're going to break down the dye elements or the dye bonds within the coloured stains. Next up, we've also got the spot and stain wipes. Now these come in a handy pack of 20. They are large wipes, so they measure 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters, so pretty large, and they are also toxic free and biodegradable as well. These are mainly aimed at getting those quick stains that you manage to just catch. So let's say you've just spilled a cup of tea over, or one of your little ones has just knocked a cup of squash over, and you just want to quickly get something and quickly mop it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is check out the spot and stain remover wipes. Now I've just spied a dried on ink stain on our newer carpet, so the carpet that we put down in the living room just shy of 12 months ago now. As you can see, it's quite a, I guess, prominent stain. It does catch your eye as you come in from the kitchen into the living room, and it is situated just sort of underneath the chair that I've just been sitting on now. So I'm going to pop the camera down just here, just so I can get a closer look at it. So just bear with me. So again, I have the wipe with me. Let's just give it a bit of a rub, see how we get on. Now if you can see there, that stain is pretty much gone. Considering the stain's been there for a long time and all I've used is just the wipe, you can see that it's able to get on dried stains. Imagine what it can do with the instant stains as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. This is the good old Fateful Playroom. As you can see straight away, you can see that there is a current type stain on the rug. On this one, I'm going to be using the Rug Doctor Oxy Power Stain Remover. So again, in terms of keeping it to the instructions, it says spray a little bit on the area in question, but don't overspray it. So again, I am just going to just spray it around. Now you are to leave it for a couple of minutes, around 3 to 5 minutes maximum, but already I guess you can sort of see within a matter of spraying it, you can see the sort of colour already lifting out. Certainly if I just go a little bit closer up for you there, you can see where the stain sort of is, certainly. I'm being careful not to sort of touch it at the moment because I'll be blotting it in a few moments, but you can sort of already see the fact that it is seeming to lift already. It was quite a red type stain before, so I'm going to leave it for another couple of minutes and see how we get on. So the Rug Doctor Oxy Stain Remover has now been covering the stain for probably around about 3.5 minutes now, so I'm going to start dabbing around the area. So again, keeping to the instructions which say sort of start around the outside and work your way in. I've just got a standard microfiber cloth. I'm just going to be just dotting around the area and just seeing how we get on. And there we have it, folks. Nice clean rug. Now I just wish they would keep it like that forever. Next up, we're going to go outside and have a look at my poor excuse of a car and see if Oxy Power Stain Remover can deal with these seats. But if we go into the car here, you can see there's plenty of stains around. So you're talking there, the stains there. It really is sort of a patchy type seat. Apologies because of the sun. You know, we are British, so we do apologise for the sun. But again, you can see the different stains. Now these stains have been here since I purchased this car actually. I've always tried to get them out and never succeeded, so I'm going to give it a go with the Spot Clean right now. So I'll give the Oxy Power Stain Remover a clean and see if it does anything. So I've just given it a good scrub after leaving it for a few minutes, and as you can see, pretty much most of the stains, bar that one just there, pretty much every other one of them has come out. The seat looks absolutely amazing. I am really impressed. So maybe I'm going to have to do the other seat as well. Don't worry, we don't always have a mattress in the living room. As mentioned previously, we've just had a new mattress here at Flowers Towers, and therefore there are some stains on the old mattress, sort of where you sleep. You've got that sleepy kind of slobber, I guess. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put the Rug Doctor Oxy Power Stain Remover to the test and see if it can remove these stains. So we shall see you in a few seconds. So I've been cleaning for around about 50 minutes now, absolutely shattered. You've got to see a nice gloss on my forehead right now. So far we've cleaned the living room carpet, the ink stain that you saw. We've been outside into my car and cleaned the car seat. And we've just finished cleaning the old mattress that we've just due to donate. In fact, I've just forgot, we also did the mat in the playroom as well. The Oxy Power Stain Remover and the Spot and Stain Remover wipes have stood up to the test. Absolutely nailing the stains around the house. It's amazing how quickly they come out. Yes, I've been working fast, but equally, you know, these are dried on stains. These are stains that have been there for a while, and either the wipes or the Oxy Power Stain Remover both were able to remove the stains quite considerably, to the point of actually completely disappearing altogether. I'm absolutely amazed by the quality and about how quickly the stains were able to be removed from the different furnitures. Really impressed with it. I can't wait to get going with the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner and see if that does just as good a job with the rest of the floors.